Hello everyone, welcome to Brighter Brains. So today let us discuss about the last part of the algebra, that is quadratic equations. Okay. So before going into the video, please like, share and subscribe. So to get and click the bell icon to get more videos on the class 10 chapter like topics. Okay. So now diving into the chapter, it is the last part of the algebra. So in algebra for the 10th standard, there are 4 chapters, that is real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equation in 2 variable, and the last part is quadratic equations. Okay. So in the last video we have discussed about a pair of linear equation in 2 variables and also the polynomials also. So now first let us know what is mean by a quadratic equation. Okay, what is mean by a quadratic equation? So a polynomial, let us consider p of x. A polynomial which is equated with 0 is called as equation. ఏదైనా polynomial ని equal to 0 చేస్తే then we will say it as polynomial equation. A polynomial equation whose degree is 2, whose degree is 2, called as quadratic equation. Okay, so a polynomial equation whose degree will be 2, so that such type of equations are known as quadratic equation. So now, so first how the quadratic equation will be? So the standard form of quadratic equation will be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a must not be equal to 0. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? If a becomes 0, then this term completely becomes 0, then it will be linear equation. The degree will be 1. If it becomes 0, the degree will be 1. So it will become linear. But the standard form, we need the standard form of quadratic equation, so that a must not be equal to 0. So here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, next c is the constant term. Okay, done. So these a, b, c are real numbers, any sort of numbers. Okay, so now let us know how many roots does quadratic equation exist. Okay, so any roots ఉంటాయి quadratic equation. So number of roots for quadratic equation will be 2. I already said, like I already explained you that in the real numbers or polynomials, I guess any of the chapter, I already said that the degree of the polynomial is equal to number of roots. Is it? We did some of the problems on this also. Then the what is the degree here for the quadratic equation? Degree is 2 here. So how many roots does exist? 2 roots will be. For cubic polynomial, the degree will be 3, number of roots will be 3. For linear, if linear equation is in this way, what is the degree over here? 1. So the number of roots will be 1. So based on the degree, the number of roots will be existing. Okay, so this is a common thing which we need to know before going into the quadratic equation problems. So now, and next thing is, first we need to discuss, there are 4 topics, 4 main topics to be discussed in this. First, introduction to quadratic equation. Okay, and second topic is solutions of the quadratic equation by factorization. This is one of the topic. And next topic is solutions of the quadratic equation by complete square method. And the last topic for this is nature of roots. So these are the 4 topics, but in the state these 4 topics are included, but in the CBSE syllabus there is no topic, like there is no solutions of the quadratic equation by complete square method. We don't have this topic in CBSE, okay, but for state all the 4 topics are there, okay. For CBSE only first one, second one and the fourth one, okay. So now these are the 4 topics. Let us discuss one by one, and I'll make a separate separate videos for these 4 topics, okay. And like I'll be giving the introduction for this, and also I'll be discussing some of the problems.